A circle has a radius of 6x to the ninth y to the fifth power centimeters. The area of a circle can be found using a is equal to pi r squared. What is the area of the circle in square centimeters? Alright, so we'll go ahead and begin by writing out our formula one more time. So our formula for the area is equal to pi r squared. Okay, now since we already know that this is my radius, this is going to take the place of my r. So we're going to fill out what we have. They tell me to use pi, so I'm going to use the symbol pi times, here we're going to bring down our radius. Our radius is 6x to the ninth power y to the fifth power. And then all of that taken to the second power. Okay, so now that I have this, I want to be able to work this out. The easiest way to work this out would be to use the store feature. So what we're going to do, since I have two different letters, I'm going to put 5 stored into x and then 6 stored into y. Okay, so we're ready for a calculator. We go to our calculator. We want the regular calculator, and we said we're going to put 5 stored into x. So 5 stored into x. Oops. Okay, so this 5 stored into x, enter. So this means every time I type in an x, it will have a value of 5. We're going to type in 6 stored into y. So now every time I type a y, it will have a value of 6. Okay, so now I can type in our problem. So it was pi, so there's my pi, times, parentheses, and it was going to be 6x to the ninth, 6x to the power of 9. Let's move to the side, times y to the power of 5, y to the power of 5, and then we go outside the parentheses, and that's taken to the second power. So let's double check that. Pi 6x to the ninth, y to the fifth power, taken to the second power. Okay, we click on enter. That's our answer right there. Okay, let's go back and write that answer down. Okay, so that answer that we got, so my area is equal to 2.6087 E22. Okay, now that I have my answer, all I have to do is go down my choices until I find my match. Okay, the correct answer for this one was letter B. So we're going to type that in exactly as it appears, and we're just going to verify that we get this answer right here. So we're going to go back to our calculator. We're going to type in the problem. So it's 36 times pi, 36 times pi, times, and then it was x to the power of 18, x to the power of 18, times y to the power of 10. Let's just double check that. 36 pi x to the 18th, y to the 10th. We click enter, and we get the exact same thing. It is a perfect match. So let's come over here. Let's just write that down. This answer was 2.6087 E22. Since it did match exactly, answer B is the correct solution.